Hello, welcome to Learn Hmong the J way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to master the Hmong numbers, how to pronounce them, that is. So when you come to HmongDictionary.com, click on these options, numbers. And in here, you can click on any of these numbers to hear the pronunciation.
Zai, I, O, B, Blau, G, Trao, Xa, Yi, Chua, Cậu, Nâng Cậu, Bê Châu, Blau Châu, Xí Châu, Trao Châu, Xa Châu, Yi Châu, Chua Châu, Y Bùa.
This 0 is mostly being known as Sun from the people that live in Laos as well as Thailand, okay? In the United States too, they'll call it Sun. And Sun is a Laotian word. But Hmong supposedly is Zai,
Zai,
like that, okay? Knowing that this is the 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way to 9. So when you come to 10, Gao, right?
Cậu,
You just repeat the number after the word Gao. Okay? So that'll be Gao, I, Gao, all like that. All the way to 9. And then it goes to Nengao, or 20. So 10.
Cậu, I, Cậu, O,
So that'll be 11, 12,
Cậu, B,
13,
Cậu, Blau,
14,
Cậu, G,
15,
Cậu, Trao,
16,
Cậu, Xa,
17,
Cậu, Yi,
18,
Cậu, Chua,
19,
Nâng Cậu,
20, right? Again, repeat the same process. 20,
Nâng Cậu, I,
21,
Nâng Cậu, O,
22,
Nâng Cậu, B,
23,
Nâng Cậu, Blau,
24,
Nâng Cậu, G,
25,
Nâng Cậu, Trao,
26,
Nâng Cậu, Xa,
27,
Nâng Cậu, Yi,
28,
Nâng Cậu, Chua,
29, and then 30.
Bê Châu,
Beichao, right? Repeat the whole process again. 1 to 9. And then 40. 41, 42 would be
Blau Châu,
Blaochao. That's 40.
I,
Blaochao. E, there'll be 41.
Blau Châu, O,
42. All the way to 49. Blaochao chua.
Blau Châu, Chua,
49. And then 50.
Xí Châu,
And then 51.
Xí Châu, I, Xí Châu, O,
All the way to Chichao chua. And then 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Same thing. 100, 1.
Y Bùa, I Bùa, O, Y Bùa, B,
All the way to Ipua chua. 109. Okay? And then down here you can type in any number that you want to read or learn.
Y Bùa, Xí Châu, O,
Ipua chichao o. So that's 152.
Y Chia Xí Bùa, Nâng Cậu,
I'm reading it, okay? But there's a audio to help you. You can just click here.
Y Chia Xí Bùa, Nâng Cậu,
English,
1520.